Hey. Thanks. Show yourself!
What? Not happy with the deal? Because you were glad to make it.
Hey, you broke the deal first!
Oh, exactly how did I? Go finish your part of the deal. Hello. Oh yeah, I'll deal with him.
He is currently getting repaired, but I did get a few of our other members from the kingdom to help us.
But the king? Curse the bloody king! You got your arm ripped off, Yield, your brother is majorly damaged, Willow got knocked out twice, and Raid... Hey, wait, where's Raid?